July is shaping up to be a phenomenal month for skywatching, with celestial events happening almost every week. So grab your binoculars, telescopes, if you want a closer look, and get ready to set your sights on the wonders above. Hello and welcome to my channel Beyond Earth, your portal to the cosmos. Let's dive into the details of each event and how to make the most of it. Comet 13 P/Olbers reaches its peak brightness around magnitude +9. This means it will be visible with a good pair of binoculars under dark skies. Look for it in the constellation Ursa Major, the Great Bear, near the star Meteor. Head to a location with minimal light pollution. Open fields, rural areas, or even your backyard, away from city lights, are ideal. Use a star chart app to pinpoint the exact location of the comet. Allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness for at least 20 minutes before observing. Patience is key. Comets are faint objects, so take your time scanning the area. This is a rare opportunity to see a periodic comet, meaning it orbits the sun regularly, with the naked eye or binoculars. Neptune begins its retrograde motion, appearing to move backward in the sky. This is an illusion caused by Earth's and Neptune's relative orbital positions. This period lasts until December 1st, making it a good time for astrophotographers to capture detailed images of the distant blue planet. You'll need a telescope to see Neptune. Look for it in the constellation Aquarius. Use a star chart app to pinpoint Neptune's location. A larger telescope, 8 inches or more, will provide better views of the planet's blue disk, and possibly even its faint rings. Retrograde motion is a fascinating phenomenon that helps us understand planetary orbits. It's also a great opportunity for astrophotographers to capture unique images of Neptune. We have a beautiful conjunction of the Moon and Jupiter. These two celestial bodies will be close together in the pre-dawn sky, offering a stunning sight for naked eye observers. Look for them low in the eastern sky around 4:45 a.m. Find an unobstructed view towards the east horizon. Get up early. The conjunction happens before sunrise, so plan accordingly. Binoculars will enhance the view, showing Jupiter as a bright disk with its moons alongside the moon. Conjunctions are beautiful celestial alignments that offer a chance to see two bright objects close together in the sky. The new moon arrives, marking the start of a new lunar cycle. This is the perfect time to go stargazing, as there will be minimal moonlight interfering with your view of the fainter celestial objects. Take advantage of this dark sky to hunt for deep space wonders like nebulae and galaxies. Any location with minimal light pollution is ideal. This is a great night for using a telescope to explore fainter objects. Look for star clusters, nebulae, and galaxies in your star chart app, and plan your observing session. Look up for the magnificent Great Peacock Globular Cluster. This dense concentration of hundreds of thousands of stars is well positioned for viewing in July, especially for those in the southern hemisphere. With a telescope, you can witness the incredible cluster structure. This cluster is best seen from locations south of the equator. However, if you're further north, you may still be able to glimpse it with a telescope on a clear night. Use a telescope with a wide field of view to capture the full extent of the cluster. A dark sky location is essential for optimal viewing. Globular clusters are ancient collections of stars, offering a glimpse into the early history of our galaxy. Mercury reaches its highest altitude in the evening sky, around 26 degrees above the western horizon. This fleeting planet will be easier to spot with binoculars just after sunset for about an hour. Find a location with a clear view towards the western horizon, preferably with minimal obstructions like buildings or trees. Look for Mercury shortly after sunset in the west. Binoculars will be helpful to distinguish it from nearby stars. It will appear as a tiny, faint orange dot. This is a good opportunity to spot Mercury, the smallest and fastest moving planet in our solar system. Get ready to be dazzled by the full moon, also known as the buck moon in some cultures. This full moon gets its name from the time of year when male deer begin to regrow their antlers. Enjoy the bright moonlight for an evening of stargazing or relax under the beautiful glow. The full moon is visible from anywhere, with with a clear view of the night sky. While the full moon itself doesn't require any special equipment, if you want to observe craters and other lunar features, binoculars or a telescope will enhance your experience. Full moons have cultural significance in many societies and offer a beautiful sight in the night sky. Mercury reaches its greatest eastern elongation, meaning it will be at its farthest angular distance, around 26 degrees from the sun in the morning sky. So, be an early riser and catch a glimpse of this elusive planet with binoculars before sunrise. Find a location with a clear view towards the eastern horizon before sunrise. Similar to July 15th, look for Mercury, low in the eastern sky just before sunrise. Binoculars are recommended to distinguish it from stars. This is another chance to spot Mercury during a favorable observing window. The Moon and Saturn team up for another conjunction. These two celestial bodies will be close together in the pre-dawn sky, offering a chance to see the rings of Saturn with a small telescope. Look for them low in the eastern sky around 4 a.m. Find an unobstructed view towards the east horizon before sunrise. Get up early. Binoculars will help locate the conjunction, while a small telescope, around 6 inches or more, might reveal the faint rings of Saturn. This conjunction offers a chance to see two beautiful celestial objects close together. With a telescope, you can try to spot the rings of Saturn. The night sky comes alive with the Pixabay meteor shower. While not the most prolific shower, it can still produce a few colorful meteors per hour, originating from the debris left behind by Comet 45P/Honda Merkos Pajdusakova. The best viewing time is after midnight, facing south. Find a location with dark skies and minimal light pollution. Open areas away from city lights are ideal. Lie down on a blanket or camping chair to maximize your view of the sky. Be patient. Meteor showers often take time for your eyes to adjust and see activity. The later the night, the more meteors you might see. Look towards the southern part of the sky, where the meteors appear to originate from. Meteor showers are caused by Earth passing through the dusty debris field left behind by comets. They offer a glimpse into the leftover remnants of these icy wanderers. Capping off the month, we have a double treat with the Southern Delta Aquariid and Alpha Capricornid meteor showers. These showers are best observed from the southern hemisphere and may produce a handful of meteors per hour. The Delta Aquariids peak around midnight, while the Alpha Capricornids peak in the early morning hours. Both showers originate from leftover cometary dust. If you're in the southern hemisphere, find a location with dark skies and minimal light pollution. Lie down on a blanket or camping chair and face south for the Delta Aquariids, and towards the eastern horizon for the Alpha Capricornids in the early morning hours. Similar to the Pixabay, patience is key. Allow your eyes to adjust to the darkness and look for streaks of light emanating from the respective shower radiance. These double meteor showers offer another opportunity to witness the beauty of meteors streaking across the night sky. They remind us of the constant bombardment of cosmic dust particles our planet endures. That concludes our July astronomical events calendar. Check out other videos from our channel. I have given the links for a few in the description. Subscribe to not miss out on more such cosmic videos.